In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform tables prefill. This feature allows you to prefill your forms with data from existing tables, which can significantly streamline your workflow and save you time. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, head over to jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, it's easy to create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the My Forms section on your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the forms you've created or have access to. Next, you'll need to choose the specific form you want to work with. Click on the form to open it in the form builder. It's important to make sure you're in the correct form so you can apply prefill settings accurately. Once you're in the form builder, look towards the top of the page and click on the Publish tab. This is the hub for managing how your forms are shared and interacted with. On the left hand side under the Publish menu, you'll see an option labelled Prefill. Click on this and it will bring up a variety of prefill options. For our focus today, select Tables Prefill. This selection will allow you to draw directly from your Jotform tables, using the data you've already collected to auto-populate form fields. After selecting Tables Prefill, you'll need to choose which Jotform table to connect. You might have multiple tables, so ensure you select the one containing all the necessary data for your form. Once you've picked the right table, you'll also need to select the correct tab within that table if it has multiple tabs. Now comes the part where we map the data from your table to the corresponding fields in your form. For each column in your table, such as first name, last name, or email, match it to the right field on your form. This step ensures that the right information will be inserted into the correct spots on your form, so take a moment to double check that everything's lined up perfectly. Once you've mapped out the columns and fields, click on Save Settings to finalize your configurations. This is a critical step because it locks in all the connections you've just set up, ensuring your pre-filling process works smoothly when the form is accessed. And there you have it, a fully configured prefill setup using Jotform tables. With these settings, your forms will be preloaded with existing data, making it easier for your users to complete them quickly and accurately. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if needed, and enjoy the improved efficiency this setup brings to your workflows. Happy form building!